coba ya. Coba tadi kan live 2 jam. Oke, yuk coba main. Aku upgrade dulu deh. Upgrade pemain dulu deh. My team. Upgrade pemain sambil nunggu orang. Dapat notif. Toggle display. Ini Tomiyasu bisa di-upgrade. Boleh lah. Upgrade lah Tomiyasu lah. Player action, player progression, stats, passing kali ya, passing. Acceleration kayaknya acceleration juga bagus, tapi kalau si ini kan si apa namanya Tomiyasu kan nggak naik kan, dia kan di belakang aja kan. Berarti boleh deh ini deh acceleration juga nih buat ngejar. Dia berkali-kali ketinggalan pak. Boleh ngejar Mbappe. Toggle display asik. Real face ya? Real face ya sih itu. Thomas Partey. Bisa juga player action, player progression, player stats. Shooting nggak perlu. Dribbling nggak terlalu perlu. Passing naikin sama ini lower body nggak. Ini jumping, physical contact, defending kayaknya defending. Nah, dah yes point. Let's go. Oke, Thomas Partey jadi 80 ratingnya overall. Krunic nggak kepake sih. Galana juga saya buang nih. Oke, player action, player progression, player stats. Ini center midfield gak bisa shooting. Rada ini juga. Ini juga. Dah. Nice. Ini dari ini ya, dia ya apa namanya, Bosnia. Brahim Diaz. Player action, player progression, stats, shooting, passing sama quick counter. Nggak perlu. Ya bolehlah quick counter lah ya. Apa jangan, kita coba naikin yang lain. Oh ini aja, shooting aja. Dah, yes point. Oke, 77 tuh. Pratama. Player action, player progression, player stats. Kita kasih dia dribbling sama passing. Dah, yes point. Oke, nice. 59 naik satu satu overall, satu tingkat. Nah, ini pemain-pemain generic pass nih, aduh, rada jelek sih sebenarnya. Ini aerial strength, defending, speed, mungkin speed boleh. Acceleration, offensive nggak perlu. Goalkeeper nggak perlu. Berarti kita pakai defending, aerial strength, lower body strength. Kayaknya ini deh, defending. Iya kayaknya defending sih. Ya udah defending. Dah, this point. Udah nggak kepake kan sisanya. Ntar lu deh, si Oliver Kahn tuh belum di upgrade ya. Player action masih 34 tahun. Level training, oh bisa di upgrade lagi deh. Tapi nggak perlu lah ya. Kiper mah kita upgrade siapa ya? Partey, Tomiyasu, Inzaghi udah max. Carlos kali ya, apa Neymar? Kayaknya Neymar deh. Neymar di upgrade sih. Oke. Ini dia real face. Ya, real face Neymar. Player progression, player enggak di ini training. Level training XP 10.000 nggak ada ini ya. Di max aja kali ya. Nah udah, ini perform training, proceed. Gambarnya berubah. Wah, gambarnya berubah. Player action, player progression, player stats ada 12. Shooting, passing, dribbling, acceleration, ini boleh. Lower body strength, speed boleh. Aerial strength nggak perlu, defending nggak perlu, goalkeeper nggak perlu. Berarti kita naikin ini. Shooting, dribbling, dah. Udah bagus banget. Bagus banget ini. Ayo, jadi 90. 91. Oke, mantap. Emang ini di sini 91, cuma ntar kan beda lagi, Pak. Apa pas main. Karena pemainnya itu kan. Dream Team. Kita ke gameplay dulu. Ya, nyari ini. Main ngeliat pemain. Oke. Berarti Neymar udah 77. Neymar sudah 98 subscribernya, mantap. Neymar 91 dan Kaleho nggak perlu. Ini Inzaghi udah max. Ini sih Carlos sih kita upgrade sih nanti sih. Ya dah, Tomiyasu, Partey, Mings, Oliver Kahn, dah main event lagi. Halo 720p. Worldwide Club. Ini Maguire berasa paling berjasa. Mujair ya. Tunggu. Waktu kecil dulu mereka ketemu. Kau temanku, kau doakan aku punya otak cerdas. Aku harus sanggup bila jatuh, gajah lain membantu. Tubuh. Aduh, Theo Hernandez tuh, Milan banget tuh. Tubuhmu di situ pasti rela jadi tamengku. Game plan: Puyol, Ben White, Alexander Arnold, Hernandez. Ini lawannya berat juga. Rada berat ya. Ada Messi itu di situ. Raul, dia kok bisa dapat banyak sih? Luis Aroman, Alexander Arnold. Halo Bang, halo Farul. Selamat datang Farul. Jangan lupa subscribe ya. Dikit lagi 100. Ya rame lagi kan. Tadi rame banget lah sumpah. Tadi mau buka apa namanya, Farul sang beliau. Namanya gitu ya, Farul sang beliau. Dikit lagi nih, ya ampun, 2 lagi 100. Ya ampun.
We're becoming used to scenes just
Bot-bot
like
ininya
this.
nggak ini kan?
Endless
Nggak double kan
festival of
suaranya?
football, pitting
Aman
just
kan?
about everybody against everybody. Interest levels very, very high. In fact, it's only increasing as games carry more and more significance.
Oh udah, aman.
No question, everyone here is in the mood.
Lagu
This is a
Pogba.
very, very
Taruh satu
impressive
lagi.
venue. Quite a sight to behold.
Aman kok, nggak double.
Well, if
Oke,
you did
terima
just miss
kasih.
it, we are up and running already.
Aduh, main kok jongkok, duduk apa duduk main? Main sampai jongkok
Roberto
lagi.
Carlos. Roberto Carlos goes on a charge down
Yeah.
the left.
Ya,
Oh, the
Unich.
shot could be on here.
cutback.
Can he
Ya,
get it away?
lihat.
What a
Ya kan?
wonderful
Udah
goal.
99 masa?
Well,
Coba
what's
lihat.
more, it's
Oh iya,
him.
ada 99
And
satu
we
lagi.
can't be surprised because
Satu
his
lagi 3
instinct for
digit.
doing this is incredible.
Main sambil turu.
Yeah, I'd call that transition
Turu.
with bite. They won it back and
Rada
bit
hoki
hard.
sih golnya sih. Ya, apalagi yang Carlos itu.
Arsenal
Yuk.
grab an early lead. Good start.
Udah pada terawih belum?
Vieira going full tilt
Vieira.
down the right-hand side.
Raul.
Just
Bagus
eases
banget
him off
nih.
the ball.
Tapi salah umpan nih siapa nih? Brahim Diaz. Bagus. Dia gocek loh mainnya.
Brahim Diaz did just about
Lah,
enough to
kok
come
sih?
out on top there. Neither party overly willing to compromise.
Nakata.
Great chance!
Bahaya banget itu. Raul. Bola-bola liar sih emang PES sih. Kalau FIFA jarang bola-bola liar.
Last
Apa tuh?
ditch
Panjang
defending,
tuh
but that'll
komennya tuh.
do.
Ntar lu.
It's loose and there's a and another time.
Bang Kogo pas
A
main
real
beres
chance
lah terus gue
and a
pulang
real
tuh.
let
Gue
off.
bingung kok jadi
All
ngantuk.
you'd be thinking is,
Itu emang
please,
elunya aja kocak.
swallow me up.
Berangkat lagi. Berangkat lagi kocak. Berak jadi alasan. jadi ngantuk. Salah.
Now it's Raul. Pogba.
Aduh,
Neymar.
bahaya juga. Neymar.
And that has sent
Nice.
him sprawling. Well, he is the type of character who rises to this sort of challenge, and he will be back
Hey.
for more.
Enggak ya, enggak foul ya kalau gitu ya. Gak wasit.
Krunic. Now it's Neymar. Vieira cuts it out.
Dapat. Nice. Aduh, Arnoldnya. Berat pak, sama aku juga pernah.
Oh, that's a key interception. Roberto Carlos.
Ada aja ya.
The ball
Eh.
is loose and the chase is on.
Neymar. Gocek sana, gocek sini. Ya.
Roberto Carlos. Now it's Brahim Diaz.
Boom.
Brahim
Aduh.
Diaz!
Tuh, flashingnya bagus tuh.
Oh, and that is really good tenacity.
Oke, kita coba melengkung ya, langsung gol ya, coba ya. Coba ya.
And
Itu
now
udah
they
berhasil
can
tuh.
spring
Nanti
out
minggu depan
defense.
hari Jumat tuh libur 1 minggu. Oh, kamu libur. Habis itu masuk lagi. Habis libur. Raul. Legendnya Madrid kan ini Raul nih. Kalau nggak salah ya. Aku lupa ingat soalnya. Nice. Thomas Partey.
Driving on and making good
Dibantu dengan
progress.
ngelek-ngelek. Aduh, offside.
Caught offside that time.
Libur lebaran. Oh iya ya, lebaran ya. Ampun, itu apaan? Wasit. Halo. Itu offside apa itu? Libur lebaran. Oh, libur lebaran itu kapan emang? Lebaran bukannya bulan depan ya?
Hernandez. And that has left him in a
Foul
heap.
jelas daripada
That's a foul.
kelewat.
Free kick's been given.
Ya,
And no surprise, that's a booking.
dicegal. Ya tanggal deh. Kabar. Coba. Kalender. Kok kalkulator sih? Kalender.
Played out to the right. Now it's Raul. Gets
Kalender.
himself into trouble and he's lost it. Krunic.
April.
Now the counter.
April.
Oh, he's going to be disappointed
May.
with that.
Iya Mei pak. Lebaran Mei kan?
No foul, says the referee.
Gara-gara
Got a
Lah,
size of
hubungannya.
it's the cutter.
lah
Another chance.
ya, yalah.
Sticks it away.
Nggak apa, santai. Kita kasih dulu. Betul itu kamu offside karena jempol pemain kepanjangan.
The invitation was clear and it was accepted with the utmost glee.
Yeah,
Kalau
it's
sekarang mah tangan nggak
mystifying
ini
that a
buat
player of his
apa
talent
namanya?
wasn't picked up sooner, and he picked them off instead.
Di real life-nya tangan mah udah nggak dihitung sekarang.
And that has added a whole new complexion to the game.
Well, they're back on level terms.
Oh, gol lagi nih tuh. Ah kan?
They've done it.
Nggak apa. Asal nggak nge-lag
They
aja.
get themselves in front.
Oh enggak. Kirain aku
What about that, Jim Beglin?
fix goal.
Well, his appreciation of space then was absolutely
Fix
exceptional.
goal.
A moving genius.
Bagus sih tadi itu back heel-nya dan flashing cukup baik dari Filippo Inzaghi.
Now how will things develop from here?
Oke, Raul tidak bisa apa-apa.
No, the
Dia tuh nggak
ball needed
upgrade
to be
pemain.
better there. It's a wasted chance.
Offside lagi lo lihat. Aduh. Ya ini offside sih. Ya ini offside. Saya masih terima. Lagu fix goal di dada kita
Pogba.
semua.
That's a promising ball. And he's in a really good position here now.
Main
Well,
apa
the crowd
kau?
clearly like what they just saw. Some real no-nonsense
It's-
defending.
Kosong tuh. Neymar.
Over to the
Nah,
left.
kan?
That's positional gold. The utilization of space.
Ya, gocek. Aduh,
Whistle's
ditahan
gone,
gitu.
that's,
Nah, kan?
foul.
Pelanggaran kan? Jelas ditahan kok. Lihat ya. Udah bagus nih gocek nih. Set. Ya. Di skip sama dia.
Now there are plenty in the middle waiting for this.
Aduh, salah. Jago juga dia, Pak. Ngerti dia. Cara-cara begitu.
Oh, that's really good play on the right.
Nge-lag nih,
He's
nge-lag nih.
driving
Halo.
forward.
Nge-lag nih.
Raul,
Mohon maaf. Halo.
lovely ball into space. Nakata gives his colleague a guilty look.
The movement was
Wah,
good,
lag, Pak.
but the pass
Sumpah.
lacked authority.
Has a goal! That's a fine
Fix
save.
goal
The
di
keeper
dada
really dug out
kita
his defence then. A
semua.
magnificent effort.
Itu kiri edit sih itu ya. Ah, ini udah enggak nih. Gol lagi nih, enggak nge-lag. Bagus, Tomiyasu. Bagus. Ini pemain
Arsenal
SSB nih.
can counter promptly here.
Iya kan. Gaya mainnya tuh lihat
Nice
tuh.
defending, it's got the job done. And now the breakaway. That is
Inzaghi,
one
ayo.
way to
Aduh.
stop him.
Itu. Bener-bener pemain SSB ya.
Pogba. That's been cut out, well
Nice.
played. Opts for safety.
And
And
dah.
we hit half-time.
Half-time
So, a
whistle.
Really good half of football. 3 goals and just 1 separating them.
Ya. Rada bosan sih.
Caution
Cuma
certainly
ya,
not on the
nggak
agenda
apa.
here.
Nanti
from
juga
both sides.
ada yang
Well, it
mampir lagi.
remains very delicately poised, and based on the promise we've seen through the first 45 minutes, I wouldn't be surprised
Filippo
if this takes
Inzaghi.
another twist or two. It certainly would be in keeping.
Nice. Roberto
Arsenal
Carlos.
head into the half-time break with a narrow lead, 2 goals to 1.
Neymar masuk, crossing Neymar.
Can
Filippo.
finish!
Diapain itu?
Good try. The outcome
Diapain
could
itu?
so easily have
Hey.
been different.
A more
Ngapain
than
itu?
decent attempt, Peter.
Kok bisa nggak masuk gitu? Diapain sama dia? Fix goal di dada.
He's had a
kita
fair
semua.
tumble under that challenge.
Party. Rebut
No,
dia.
he's not getting his
Aduh,
way this
merah
time.
nih.
Oh,
Jangan
no
merah
question,
lah.
That's a foul.
Jangan merah dong. Oh enggak. Alhamdulillah. Tidak merah.
Partey has been given his marching orders. He had already
merah.
been on a yellow card from
Kartu
a
merah ya
previous
udahlah ya.
incident. Alexander-Arnold.
Ini apa sih wasit?
He ran himself into trouble there. Free kick given away.
Kayaknya punya dendam amat
Nakata.
nih wasitnya. Oh, nggak botak sih wasitnya ya. Berarti tengah kita cuma
Brahim
2 ya.
Diaz has created 1 goal already. And here's Raul.
Aku nggak ada pemain tengah lagi. Nggak ada pelapis.
And here's Neymar.
Nice, offside.
And he's straight offside.
Ya. Nah, kalau kaki itu offside, Pak. Tapi kalau tangan enggak. Katanya sih gitu. Big score. Aduh, tengahnya kayaknya aku harus mundurin si Neymar.
Now who's going to be first to this?
Ntar aku pause dulu deh, aku ganti dulu gameplaynya. Nah, bingung kan lu, ayo lo. Pogba.
Messi, look at the space
Eh.
here.
Bagus. Pause dulu, Pak. Sabar. Tuh atur ini dulu formasi. Oke, ini karena partinya ini kan. Ini geser ke kanan, rada ke kanan. Ini rada ke sini. Jadi second striker kamu ya. Kaleho. Nah, ada. Ada Thomas Partey-nya buang aja nih sini. Di mana? Mau di mana? Anda mau di mana? Sini. Ya udah situ. Dah. Lihat itu, man marking yang sangat baik.
Oh, he's enjoyed that. He evidently loves the contest.
Ya. Kena tipu. Aku salah umpan tapi.
Muscular approach does pay off here.
Ih, kok dapat aja?
And it's Nakata.
Aduh, aku intercept gak dapat Kak. It's. Ya, Neymar mau ngapain? Aduh. Pas 2-2 bisa atur formasi sendiri. PES. eFootball bisa, eFootball yang ini di konsol. Kalau yang di mobile aku nggak tahu. Kalau ini mah atur formasi sendiri mah di konsol udah dari zaman kapan, Bot? 2016 juga udah bisa. Tomiyasu. Ditarik, Pak. Neymar, let's go. Dor, ya. Siapa ini? Oh, si botak. Pemain SSB. Nggak ngaruh, Bos. Kartu merah, Bos. Kan? Kalau malam gampang lawannya. Tadi aja rada gila lawannya tadi. Ditarik. Oh ya, Braithwaite berapa ya harganya ya? Braithwaite, Martin Braithwaite, Ronaldo, Nazario, Braithwaite. Nggak bisa. Ya, salah umpan dia. Ya, let's go. Finishing bagus banget itu tadi. Ini anak SSB. Kartu merahmu tidak lebih dari Neymar kok. Iya, enggak, santai aja. Kartu merah ya lah. Rubah-rubah dikit formasi ya kan. Santai aja. Jadi 4-3-2. Harusnya 4-3-3 jadi 4-3-2. Tinggal. Oh, bukan Theo Hernandez nih. El Hernandez.
Well, unsurprisingly, Peter, the opposition look completely stunned.
Tuh.
I'm not sure they can gather themselves.
Nipu-nipu kau. Ayo lo. Kasihan Pak, aku Pak ngeliatnya Pak. Ya, salah umpan lagi dia. Gus. Bagus itu Pak syutingnya. Oliver Kahn-nya aja yang kiper bagus itu dia. Alexander Arnold. Messi apa Messi no, lihat no Messi no, ngapain dari tadi ya. Tuh lihat tiki takanya. Dapat, aduh. Tiki taka enak banget Pak kalau pakai Roberto Carlos Pak. Kenceng.
And here's Roberto Carlos.
Oi, ya bener oi.
Well, he had a really good run at goal there, but the defense just weren't going to let him pass.
Nganggur. Si Diaz juga bagusnya udah bagus. Udah bagus tuh. Dias mana? Ruben Dias.
And that has left him in a
Ruben Dias
heap.
mahal bocah.
Oh, well weighted. A slightly better ball would have led to a very
Apa aku
different
main gini
outcome
aja ya?
there.
Arsenal clearly
Pakai
didn't
2
help
gol voucher.
themselves by telegraphing that one. It was always
Iya
going to be
mungkin.
intercepted.
Kayaknya sih kayak gitu. Jadi Neymarnya aku jadiin
And that
attacking midfield.
interception was
Gitu
most
nggak sih?
necessary. And that's
Good.
surely a
Good
foul
set.
free kick.
Ayo, quick free kick. Nice. Aduh, terlalu maksa. Harusnya belakang tuh. Ya, Messi ini dia yang nganggur selama 84 menit.
Oh, that's
Akhirnya
a
memberi
very
asis kah?
decent roll. Big
Tendangan
relief,
anak
it just
SMP
needed
tuh.
better contact.
Oh, I'm not sure what he had in mind, and I don't think he knew either.
Not the best distribution from the
Puyol
keeper.
maju-maju sampai situ. Mau kebobolan lagi, Mas. Ayo lo.
There really
Pentok
wasn't
bagus
very
tuh.
much in that. Not far away from
Ah.
being a telling final ball.
That was just poor decision making and a weak
Tomiyasu.
execution.
Now looking to orchestrate
Oh.
a counter. He's through here.
Tenang aja nggak gol. Tenang, santai. Kesel nggak tuh dia? Harusnya sih kesel ya.
And the counter is on.
Selama nggak nge-lag aman.
Now it's Neymar. Inzaghi. And he's in on goal. And the finish.
Ya,
They've scored.
Krunic.
Yet another goal.
Krunic.
in an
Lebih bagus
awesome
tendangan Yai itu daripada musuhnya.
They are in complete charge.
Udah AFK dia ini. Ada bulut-bulut tengah.
Really outwitted
Kasihan
one-on-one.
ya kan.
Once
Kalau
more,
malam
he
aku
gets the
ngebantai
better of
orang,
the
Pak.
keeper.
Mungkin sore dibantai, iya. Malam aku ngebantai. Seru dah aku meminum. Waktu kecil dulu. Oke, itu dia. Mic semua nih. Perasaan gak aku pakai. Yuk. Let's go. Game plan. Oh iya, Thomas Partey nggak bisa dimainin, Pak. Kak, mabar pes. Aku streaming dulu, Bot. Partey, Thomas Partey masukin sub bisa nggak? Gini nih ribet-ribet kayak gini nih. Ya udah nanti aja deh. Aduh nggak bisa, harus nggak boleh dibawa nih. Ya udah kita main taktik change formation. Jadi apa tadi? Tadi mana? Yang ini bukan? Ini bukan? Bukan. Ini AMF semua tuh harusnya tuh. Ini bukan. 4-3-3-4-3 bukan. 3-2-4-1 bukan. Tadi mana sih yang ini? Yang ada AMF-nya? Oh ini ya? Ya ini. Berarti di kiri kita bisa masukin Arhan. Dah. Simple nggak? Happy nggak hidup? Hah? Happy nggak hidup? Happy kan? Reserve right back bawa dah tuh, berarti nggak boleh kartu merah, Pak. Dah match langsung. Kak bikin 4-1-1-4 4-1-1-4 ya susah deh Dan. Aku nggak bisa mainnya soalnya aku tuh paling apa namanya, kalau midfielder dikit nggak bisa main aku. Kuncinya tuh emang di midfielder. Mau penyerangnya 5 juga kalau midfieldernya cuma 2 susah. Kalau di PES Mobile kan cuma tinggal direct ball doang, tinggal terupas, tolong bol gitu kan. Area tengah di skip. Penuh. Kalau enggak 0036. Ya gila kali. Back 0. Ih, satu lagi. John Book. Klub Korea nih, CMF, DMF, AMF 3. Nggak ada back sama juga bohong dong. Gimana sih kamu? CF4. Nggak perlu. Banyak-banyak penyerang tuh nggak perlu. Aduh, lihat tuh. Kim Yong Won siapa tuh? Berarti Brahim Diaz kita kasih AMF. Dah, ini dari Neymar sama Inzaghi. Open information. Dia main 3-3-4. 2-3-3-2. Oh enggak, itu strength-nya ya. 3-3-4. Ya 4 RW FW 2. Enggak. Aku lebih detail change to CMF. Masa segini sih? Ini ganti aja nih yang ini. Sub. Aku bawa CMF kan? Enggak bawa CMF aku. Mana ya? Ini aja deh. Turun, Pak. Ya udahlah, nggak apa-apa lah, 4-3 deh, main dah. Buat satu match doang kan ini. Yuk. Main. Yakin bisa menyebak jalan ceritanya? Simak dulu kelanjutan kisah Moon Knight yang paling ditunggu ini. Subscribe dan ikut Kena Main Blown di sini. Kena Main Blown di sini. Udah iklan banget ya. Triple A. Okay, come on, let's go. Kamara. Jago nih orangnya.
This gloriously imposing arena, absolutely picture perfect for a game of this nature.
Filippo Inzaghi.
Well, as you can see, we've already started here. We're in the presence.
Kayaknya iya deh, formasinya ku rubah jadi 4-3-3. Cuma dengan AMF berarti 4-2-3-1. Tuh, over the top langsung. Brahim Diaz. Crossing. Aduh. Back dia 5, back dia 3 ya. Berarti nggak ada winger, Pak. Salah juga, saya harusnya main ke winger ini. Lah, Roberto Carlos. Iya juga ya. Kenapa aku masang Arhan? Neymar dong. Kenapa ke Inzaghi? Udah, sekalinya satu merah. Ini nge-lag lagi nih. Mohon maaf, halo. Tuh. Nge-lag nih. Ya, delay banget, Pak. Lili siapa lagi tuh? Likangi. Bagus juga tuh. Tomiyasu. Kalau nggak patah buat nggak, ini meta di mobile sama meta di meta di mobile sama di konsol tuh beda, bro. Beda, bot. Nggak bisa disamain. Itu. Oh, Neymar kosong. Nice. Bagus banget itu passingnya. Kalau ke 3-3-4 apaan, kocak? Berapa pemain itu 3-3-4? 3-3-4. Enggak, aku nggak mau pakai penyerang 4. Kebanyakan 4. Udah 3 aja. 3 juga udah banyak gitu. Juga nggak ada pemainnya juga gitu. Nggak ada pemainnya juga soalnya.
Arsenal take the lead 1-0.
Still a fragile lead though. They can't afford to sit on this.
Played out towards the right wing. Fiddles it through. He's made space for the shot.
Bagus Tomiyasu.
So what can they make of this?
Sabar.
Challenge just a bit on the
Mungkin kalau di mobile 4-2-4 udah OP kan, apalagi nambah Torres, Rashford, cuma meta kayak gitu doang. Terus kanannya Neymar atau Messi, ikonik. Di PES konsol sekarang udah nggak ada meta. Jadi semua pemain bisa bagus. Emang ada mentoknya apa potensi pemain. Ada mentoknya sampai berapa? Ini udah nggak ada meta sekarang.
Roberto Carlos tries to clear.
Misalkan nih Messi nih. Orang kan kalau di itu kan pakai Messi kan, Messi Ronaldo gitu kan. Apa namanya di mobile? Di sini ya siapa yang pakai Messi? Cuma satu doang tadi kan pakai Messi. Ronaldo aku belum lihat Ronaldo di sini. Waduh. Bener lo ya. Woi. Orang Korea ini satu. Kim. Inzaghi, Filippo, yes, thank you. Karena yes, thank you. Ya, nih nama gue Inzaghi. John Book. Lihat tim Korea. Perasaan aku sering denger deh John Book itu deh. Langganan ini bukan? Langganan di AFC Championship. Sering banget soalnya aku denger. Ya loh, enak nih sebenernya formasi kayak gini nih. IMF-nya yang ini. Yang loh, ngapain dia? Yang whole player yang masuk ke dalam. Kayak model apa Havertz. Terus apa lagi ya? Yang whole player. Kebanyakan soalnya kebanyakan ini creative playmaker, real playmaker. Bahaya banget nih orangnya. Jago.
Well, you can't ask for much more than that. A difficult moment he simply had to deal with.
Oh, that's a very decent ball now.
Gocek-goceknya terus, Bang.
Romario really was well marshaled there because he was denied the opportunity to turn.
There's the shot. It's run loose. Who's going to get there?
Ayo Arhan, aduh.
Now it's McTominay. That's good defending, very good defending. Camera, and that interception was most necessary.
Filippo, come on, Filippo. Ya kayaknya aku ini deh formasinya. Dikit dia rubah. Jadi 4-3-3.
No foul, says the referee. Strong challenge. That could leave a mark.
Bagus juga feeling dia. Nice.
And the halftime whistle goes.
Walk. Jadi dari WK jadi walk. Ini orang prediksi jago banget ya. Ini emang jago nih orang nih, ngerti main dia. Orang Korea ini mah. Paham banget aku. Lihat tuh. Lihat. Carlos, Trupos, nice. Gila, Carlos tuh. Ya.
Good try. The outcome could so easily have
Hai,
been different.
halo Ren.
More than decent attempt, Peter.
Selamat datang. Enjoy. Mulai berdatangan
Lee Kang In. Oh, he's
pasukan-pasukan.
defended very well against those tricky feet.
Eh. Siapa itu, Arhan ya? Oh,
A
pantesan.
real chance if he can get through.
Oh iya, Arhan. Pantesan.
Krunic.
Kayak kesiksa banget dia.
Oh, good read.
Kasian ngeliatnya. Brahim Diaz. Halo Bang, halo Sulhan. Suhlan.
Neymar.
Ya, Neymar.
Oh, great hit.
Oh,
Oh, nearly.
halo
Nearly.
Suhlan
He's
Elon.
nothing.
The Army of Fabi. Cuma berapa orang, udah kayak army aja.
Oh, that's a key interception. Krunic.
Oh,
Well, that tackle was certainly sturdy.
Tor.
Neymar gets flagged
Offside? Offside loh itu. Aduh, cuma selangkah doang. Setengah kaki doang offside-nya. Ini kenapa nih? Main FIFA, Bang. Aku cuma ada FIFA 19 soalnya. Ya kalau FIFA 19 kan aku nggak ada FIFA 22. Kalau soalnya FIFA itu mahal, Pak. Ya, lagi-lagi game itu mahal. Mahal semua, nunggu promo. Kemarin ada Spring Sale. Cuma nanggung. Udah habis seasonnya. Udah tinggal berapa match lagi itu. Musim 2021 2020. 2021 2022. Mana? Carlos. Let's go Carlos. Aduh.
Son Heung-min. Skill, that's nice.
Kan jago kan dia kan, gocek-goceknya. Ini tetap aja. Tuh. Nih, tuh.
It's
Kayak
a
apa
loose
coba?
ball.
Jago banget
That's good
gocek-goceknya dia.
play.
Brahim Diaz.
Well seen. Saw that coming.
Oke, santai. Oke. Terupas langsung, Lipo.
Defenders on the back foot. It's all a little bit desperate.
PBTW Sulan punya PES Mobile gak?
They got off lightly
Yo,
there. The
ditanya
odds
tuh.
were stacked against them.
Now it's McTominay.
Ah,
Looks a foul.
kuning
Yeah,
sih ini.
referee's given it.
Oh enggak. Arhan ya itu ya tadi ya? Foul ya? Tung. Ya. Ngapain kau?
And here's Inzaghi. And it's Neymar.
Aduh nih rada nge-lag
Roberto
nih.
Carlos, who's set up
Iya,
well
rada
so
nge-lag.
far. Oh, he's enjoyed that. He evidently loves the contest.
Tenenen apa tuh tenenen?
Roberto Carlos.
Wah bagus banget gila ini umpannya Roberto Carlos. Lihat umpannya. Diapain itu?
And there's a race for the ball. Good challenge.
Main
Excellent
SSB
challenge.
yang ngambil
And
bola
here's the
buang,
chance to counter.
bola muntah.
Takes on his marker.
Lo nge-lag. Kenapa sliding
Good
tackle di
spot.
sana?
He's seen the run. And
Maju,
he's
maju,
in on
maju.
goal. And the finish.
Udah masuk lah.
It's
Tenenen apa tuh tenenen?
Son Heung-min duly reaps his reward. Kept his cool whilst the defence lost their bearings.
Oh, Peter, you can't teach that. You either have it or you don't. His anticipation is on another level to everyone
Nge-lag kayak
else's.
gini dah.
Superb.
Emang belum stabil ya ini ya? E-football ya?
This is threatening to
Kadang
become
lancar.
a really good game.
Well, they've given themselves a chance here, but now it's
Kalau
a case
lancar
of
mah
getting
enak
the
main.
balance right between attack and defense, and
Nah
that's
kalau
not
nge-lag,
easy.
game HP juga kagak enak.
Could move up a gear here.
Ke atas dong, aduh.
It's Inzaghi.
Oh, bagus banget Inzaghi. Sumpah, itu bagus banget. Nggak ada gabut aja.
Arsenal clearly have been instructed to kill this off. Offense is the best
Ada
form of
gabutnya
defense.
tenenen.
Romario.
Bisa keluar kata tenenen ya. Duh, saya disikat lagi nih di akhir-akhir.
Oh, well cut out. No margin for error there at all.
keep calm and carry on. That real chance.
Untung aja tuh. Tendangan baik kayak gitu.
It's off target and by quite a way.
Oh, I'm not sure what he had
Orang
in
Korea
mind,
ini jago
and
kali,
I don't
bah.
think he knew either.
Pause menu nggak ada apa yang dirubah ya. Oh, Carlosnya kita jadiin. Nah, udah Arhan, udah lu main sini, udah kamu main sini. Game server itu PES bang, makanya ya kan, PES tuh apa namanya, kadang kalau mau main penuh servernya terus ngelek sekali dapat pemain apa namanya, sekali dapat lawan main data. Cuma kalau di konsol nggak ada sih main data kayak gitu.
5 minutes left on the clock. A famous win all but confirmed. They just need to hold on for a few more minutes.
Bagus Carlos.
Great work on the overlap. And he's in a really good position here now.
Bagus.
And here's Neymar.
Tor, yes, dah kelar. Yo Iren, apalagi Mobile Legends Ren, karena kamu orang gabut, aku udah subscribe ya. Oke bang. Oh dia juga ini ya, subscribe lah. Lumayan tuh, 32, 31 subscribernya.
Two up and very little time left. Surely this Inzaghi. That's a half decent try.
Tapi bohong ya. Tapi bohong ya. Dimain-mainin. Kosong. Dapat nih Neymar. Lah, kok dapat?
Neymar really added the width there thanks to his willingness to make the run.
Nice. Kalau login lancar, main gak pakai data server gak penuh. Malam ngebantai orang, iya kan? 50-50 seri sih harusnya, pasnya juga. Jadi dia main gocek-gocek, nggak passing-passing juga dia. Banyak yang nyebrang di mobile. Iya makanya mau dibikin apa namanya, crossplay jadi apa namanya, yang main di PS bisa ketemu sama yang main di mobile. Katanya sih gitu, cuma sampai sekarang belum. Banyak yang nyebrang di mobile, jadi penuh data server. Iya. Oke. Taktik kita ganti lagi ke 4-2-1-3. Oke, reserve ini bisa dimainin kan party. Oke. Dah seperti normal lagi. Kayaknya aku main, kita nambah DM kali ya. Kita nambah DM lagi nggak sih? Enggak nambah DM, kayaknya kita beli center midfield. Jadi aku mau pakai formasi 4-1-2-1-2. Ya 4-1-2-1-2. Oke, ini tim play enggak. Ini kita ganti CMF. Dan berarti DMF-nya anchor-nya si Party ya. Udah anchor-nya Party. Brahim Diaz, Neymar, dah. Kaleho. Aku login di mobile bisa 5 menit doang, padahal cuma login WK. Itu sih komplainnya harus di fix sih ya kan. Aduh, PES emang ya gitulah, lagi apa namanya, tahu deh, perasaan dulu mah nggak gitu-gitu amat, makanya orang pada banyak udahlah ke FIFA aja lah. Aku juga udah waktu nyobain FIFA, udah FIFA aja udah kayak nggak mau lagi pindah ke PES. Soalnya kan waktu itu kan 2019 PES itu udah nggak ada apa namanya, udah nggak ada Master League Champions League-nya. Ya udah, aku pindah ke FIFA 2019 tuh. 2018 masih ada Champions League-nya. Udah nggak kerja sama, udah nggak ada Champions League, paling Liga doang. License-nya juga dikit kan. By the way, aku turun dulu ya, dadah. Oke. Aduh, satu lagi, 100 subscriber udah. Udah ini. Ntar lu, sabar. Sabar. Udah 100 ini. Wih, udah 100, Pak. Gara-gara apa? Gara-gara stream waktu tadi sore. Yang nonton 300. Ih, mantep. Lawan Johor. Winning 11 FC. Winning 11, iya deh. Udah 100 subscriber, terima kasih 100 subscriber. Mantap 100 subscriber. Jadiin 1000. Ayo cepat, jadiin 1000. Oke, kita lihat dulu ya. Saya nyalain ini dulu. Mesin. Apa tuh? Kok dihapus message-nya? I just wanna lay my
Well, hello
bed.
and welcome for the first time this season to everybody around the world, and we have for you a clash of two teams with very similar intentions.
Coba
A
Konami
statement
berani
win at the expense of the other would be the ideal scenario for both. A flying
Kalau
start
lisensi kan
is certainly
tergantung yang
required.
bayar, Pak.
The Emirates
Apa
Stadium
namanya?
in all its
FIFA ya jelas
glorious
duitnya lebih banyak
modernity,
lah daripada
this
Konami.
symbol of new Arsenal, the Arsenal
Apalagi di
of the
ini ya,
21st
harganya aja
century.
udah FIFA udah jauh lebih tinggi.
It's Inzaghi!
Misalkan FIFA bisa 600, 700, 800, PES cuma 200, 300 ribu doang. Ya emang harganya sejauh itu. Beda pasar aja, Pak. Misalkan kayak Realme sama apa, enggak gini deh, Android sama Apple. Beda pasar kan. Apple itu ngincernya ya apa, target pasarnya yang orang-orang kaya. Kalau yang Android ya orang-orang kayak ini, apa namanya, orang-orang biasa-biasa aja, yang nggak muluk-muluk, pakai HP juga. Ada target pasarnya juga deh. Makanya eFootball dibikin gratis kan? Hampir ya.
He's done very well to get to that.
Well, as Tesco, Peter, the keeper has just received an A+ grade.
Keunggulan PES tuh cuma ini doang, gerakan doang. Udah nggak ada lagi.
Super ball. And Romario!
Gerakannya emang halus banget dari dulu PES.
Wonderful stop. Well, you can't ask for
Tapi
much more than
semenjak
that. A
FIFA
difficult
22
moment he
ada
simply had to
hypermotion
deal with.
teknologi itu, yang 11 lawan 11 gerakannya direkam,
Clear
ya
away.
udah. Kalah jauh lah PES.
Arsenal can counter promptly here.
Long ball langsung.
Well intercepted,
Aduh.
and it certainly needed to
Kenapa
be.
nggak ke Inzaghi ya?
And that's the end of that. It all started well enough.
Tuh Brahim Diaz.
And he's in a really good position here now.
Crossing. Neymar.
And he was
Neymar nggak bisa
alert to
nyundul,
it.
Pak.
Roberto
Oh,
Carlos
dia dapat Roberto Carlos juga.
gets his pass away.
Iya, Thomas Partey nih, Bos.
Brahim Diaz. Filippo Inzaghi.
Dor.
Inzaghi
Lagi.
goes down.
Diapain
but
itu
nothing
sampai mental
given.
gitu?
Defenders on the back foot. It's a pretty
Ya,
loose pass.
ngapain lagi kamu? Nggak bisa terupas kayak gitu sekarang di
Played out
PES.
to the right. Filippo. He's
Dor.
got the shot away. They've scored.
Let's go. Filippo Inzaghi.
Well, that was such a smart exchange
Yeah.
of passes, and it took so many defenders out of play in one quick movement. Wonderful goal.
EA, ya EA. Nggak tahu deh, katanya EA abis kontrak sama FIFA. Jadi nanti apa namanya, nama gamenya bukan FIFA lagi. Jadi EA Sport apa gitu. Katanya ya. Kontraknya dikit lagi habis. Katanya. Cuma masa nggak diperpanjang sih? Keuntungannya itu Apalagi dari Ultimate Team-nya.
Krunic. Arsenal
Orang
looking
bisa
to pass their way
sekali
through.
nge-spend, sekali top up bisa 50 juta,
Ball
Pak.
into space.
Nggak dapat
Here's
apa-apa lagi.
Inzaghi. Oh, this through ball looks good. And he's in on goal.
Aish.
And through to the goalkeeper.
Makanya mereka bisa bikin teknologi kan. Hypermotion
Now
itu.
it's Roberto Carlos.
Apa nggak kurang mahal itu?
Oh, and he's broken the line here. And it's from Mario.
Ya PES kan diambil satu-satu doang, beberapa pemain doang, BA-nya doang.
Rafael Varane.
Bagus banget.
Inzaghi goes steaming forward,
Ayo,
looking for the runner.
Neymar.
This is what good chemistry is all about.
He is through here.
Aduh,
Oh,
penalti.
he's brought him
Ya.
down, and it is a penalty. Arsenal
Penalti,
have
mantap.
themselves a
Johor
chance from the
tuh dari
spot.
Malaysia deh kalau nggak salah.
So this to extend their
Kita
lead.
coba ke kiri saja. Ya, bagus banget itu, sumpah. Penaltinya bagus banget.
Not much more than a formality.
Pojok.
It reached its target, but it was
Neymar
almost
Junior.
stopped from maybe good goalkeeping.
Wih, udah 100 aja. Iya, Purnama, mantap. Oh, kamu Purnama, aku inget tadi. Tadi ada.
Arsenal grab a couple of goals
Tadi
without
gregetan dah lah yang
reply. It's
apa
2-0.
namanya 99,
Well, they're
udah
very much
99.
the better team at the moment, Peter, and
Mantap
no
ya.
doubt
Ayo
will be
dijadiin
looking
1000 yuk.
to
Bisa
cause
yuk.
even more damage here.
1000 dapat engagement aku.
Ericsson.
Eh.
Communication breakdown
Dapat
there
duit.
it seems.
Nice.
Oh, he's picked
Semua
out the
gara-gara apa?
runner.
E-football.
That's been intercepted.
Offside
Oh,
kah?
good ball.
Iya, offside.
Inzaghi
Yes.
is flagged offside.
Tipis sih sebenarnya. Enggak ada yang satu badan. Malam-malam bantai orang, sore-sore kena bantai.
And it's Ericsson. Well, that is one way to
Waduh.
stop him.
Tuh kan. Lawan itu gampang Pak kalau malam,
Should have
Pak.
come up with something better there.
Yeah, the
Yeah,
idea was
oh.
right. The delivery wasn't. They can revisit that further on.
Tomiyasunya nggak naik ya. Yang modelnya
Ericsson.
Tomiyasu nggak naik ya.
Krunic.
Nice.
Opportunity
yang
for
sangat
Arsenal
indah.
to break.
Ya
It's
udah
his
lagi.
pass away.
Lu. Bisa ngebling kayak gitu.
Sokrasin. And it's Ericsson. Excellent challenge there, uncompromising.
Sabar, apa tuh?
And here's the chance to counter. Played out towards the right wing.
Beli apa?
Steered out wide, but he won't reach that one.
Beli kanjeng Braithwaite, Bang. Berapa sih itu Braithwaite harganya? Aku cuma punya 2000-an. GP-nya. Habis beli ini soalnya back
Again,
tadi.
they run up against stubborn defending. Look at the space here.
Ya Neymar, flashing. Tor. Aduh.
That's a half decent try.
A more than decent attempt, Peter.
Sayang banget itu, bagus tuh tadi peluang kayak gitu tuh. Golnya juga bagus tuh kalau terjadi gol. Filippo, bagus sekali
Brahim
Filippo.
Diaz.
Brahim Diaz, rada ngebling.
Picked out. It's Inzaghi.
Ah,
They are
Yeah.
rampant.
nih pembalasan nih.
And they are
Tadi sore
playing
dibantai
clear
sama
here.
orang.
Arsenal
Di football
clearly
dapat GP
executed
susah
that
tuh,
with
Bang.
considerable confidence.
Buat
It
sekarang
only took
susah.
seconds to
Buat
score,
sekarang susah.
once the ball was
Nggak tahu
recovered.
ke depannya. Kalau di mobile gampang.
Three
Kalau di
without
mobile
reply.
gampang. Kalau di sini
This is becoming a stroll.
susah. Tapi nggak tahu ya ke depannya ya.
It's a decent
Kalau
looking
sekarang
ball.
susah. Udah 100 Bang. Iya,
That'll
mantap.
go straight through to
Sudah
the keeper.
100. Sudah 3 digit. Mantap.
That'll be the last act of the first half. Well, there's plenty that can be said about the last 45 minutes.
Ya kan.
But one thing
Bener.
that cannot be
Live
said
stream
is that
malam
it's dull.
100. Tadi ada yang komen tuh kayak gitu tuh,
One-sided,
siapa
yes,
tuh?
but packed with excitement.
This looks well
Malam live, Bang,
and
biar
truly
100.
sewn up already, Peter, but please feel free to forget what I've just said. It
Mana
was
nih
a
warga-warga
spectacular
tadi sore?
turnaround.
Arsenal very much in control here. 3 up and cruising. Already up and running for the second half.
Itu Neymar, barusan apa itu, berapa orang dilewatin?
Neymar! And he should have made it 4.
Ya, aduh. Lewat aja,
Still no
lepas
way
aja loh.
through. The defending here is
Kadang otak
resolute.
emang.
He's not played the ball. That's a
Pelanggaran.
foul.
Bang rada apa masuk akal kalau apa namanya kalau malam. Jago-jago amat
Neymar
enggak.
is offering an
Apa
apologetic
namanya
gesture of
cupu-cupu banget.
sorts.
Kadang dapat yang cupu sih. Kadang dapat yang cupu kalau malam.
authority, a cause of mild frustration.
Gitu.
Arsenal have really been terrific at snuffing out the threat. Now for something different.
Lovely ball into space. It's Rashford!
Bang, apa tuh? Aku tadi di TikTok dapat link, Bang. Link apa? Link apa tuh? Aduh, salah throw in-nya.
Just read it.
Oke. Bisa salah lagi itu throw in.
That is pretty much the end of that.
Nice, ayo Kaleho.
Interesting ball.
Look, it's a
Cutback,
run defense.
Inzaghi, roll. Udah.
Taken with style.
Rebound
The
maksudnya.
maestro, the legend, and now the hat-trick
The
hero.
legend. And now the hat-trick.
He was
Ya,
really
nggak kayak
quick to
nonton,
react
Pak.
to the initial save, and he has his reward.
Listen, he would have been advised to do that
Inzaghi,
as a kid,
Filippo
and it's
Inzaghi
obviously
hat-trick
etched
lagi.
in his
Hati-hati.
mind now.
He snaffles his third, and that earns him the match ball.
Oh, this has been an immense contribution for
Aduh,
one
nge-lag
player.
nih.
He's been just about unplayable. The irresistible
Oh,
force
udah
today.
enggak nih.
The attendance for this
Ah.
match was
Arsenal tear their
60,332.
opponents apart once again. They are utterly
kosong tuh.
ruthless.
Ya. Tuh kanannya kosong tuh tadi.
Fiddles it
Kaleho.
through. That's a decent ball.
Jangan di tackle. Ntar
And
takutnya
that has
merah
left him
lagi.
in a heap.
Merah lagi, repot lagi.
Brahim Diaz.
Nice.
Brahim Diaz.
Kenapa dipasing? Turun nggak usah dipasing, itu bawa aja tadi. Masuk tuh
Rashford.
kotak penalti. Ya,
Oh,
bagus.
Red, nice interception. Shifted
Neymar.
upfield.
Ini wifi dia ya kan ya? Wifi dia kan ya, begini ya.
Mario.
Internetnya lawan ya,
Oh, he's found support out wide.
kayaknya.
He's got
Tapi
away.
lawannya mainnya santai-santai
Cross
aja.
goes in there.
Nggak ada nge-lag.
Brahim Diaz.
Nice.
And it's Neymar.
Poor
Buset.
buset.
That sloppy.
Kuning
That's a
itu
foul.
harusnya.
Yeah, referee's given it.
Ya kan?
And he is shown a
Lindelof.
yellow card.
Lindelof mukanya kayak gitu emang. Muka Lindelof emang gitu. Ngebling-ngebling, iya ngebling-ngebling. Aku juga ini main tadi, ngebling-ngebling kok. Bukan dari streamnya kok. Dari emang gamenya.
Mings.
Streamnya mah aman.
Partey. Passes short and sharp.
Lihat tuh, lu lihat tuh.
Now there's a... He's had a hit! It's in!
Roket pisang apa itu? Hah? Apa itu? Gol apa itu? Hah?
This is getting
Gila.
punishing.
Apa itu? Krunic.
Well, it's
Bola
a
apa
goal
itu?
fest, and the fact it's so one-sided
Hah?
now is getting scary.
Langsung masuk klip TikTok kalau gini. Tung. Iya, bagus. Terus. Biasanya dia main, aduh, biasanya dia main jelek kan. Sekarang tiba-tiba cetak gol bagus.
Rafael Varane. He's felt that, hasn't he? Gets himself into trouble and he's lost it. And that's put paid to a promising
Bentar
move.
ya. Tipu-tipu dulu.
Brahim Diaz.
Aduh. Salah.
Not
Dapat
enough
Partey,
accuracy
mantap.
on that pass. Brahim Diaz.
Kenapa nggak ke Inzaghi, Pak? Dia panik ya kalau di press gitu ya musuhnya ya. Oh, main di PC apa di PS, Pak? Di aku di PS.
Ericsson.
Di PS4.
He could be in here. Now it's Kulusevski.
Bagus. No, merah. Jangan merah dong, please. Jangan merah, please. Oh, udah nggak apa, penalti aja ya. Nggak apa.
Well, the
Udah
players are
5-0 dulu.
pleading, but it's not going to convince him to change his mind now.
Well, I think the alternative was to
Telat
stand there and
ininya,
do nothing
sliding
while
tackle-nya.
he tried to score.
Bisa bersih
Obviously,
itu
he's
padahal.
not going to allow that, Peter, is he?
Siap Konami.
Exactly where he
Lihat
wants
ya,
to put it.
gimana ya. Kiri kencang banget.
A time for a cool
Kenceng
head,
banget
and
itu.
that is
Dia
precisely what he showed.
Well,
digebok.
the keeper probably felt he could read that, but he's guessed completely wrongly. He's gone to the other side.
Untung nggak kartu ya itu si Carlos. Ya nggak apa lah ya. Main gebok kayak gitu.
After 80 minutes is
Nah,
number
Well,
11.
they have a goal, but it is surely too much to hope for a comeback.
Hehehe. Ayo Tomiyasu. Nah. Melebar ke kiri pada Roberto
Can he get
Carlos.
onto this?
Loh, ditarik
Press
gitu.
is doing its job, and possession has been lost. And it's played forward. Roberto Carlos. Keep the ball and you win the game. It really is that simple. Sonkrasin.
Songkrasin, Canatip. Oh iya ada Canatip juga ya. Aku beli deh Canatip itu. Canatip Songkrasin.
Nice interception. His
Ada
positioning was
Canatip,
spot on.
habis itu Safawi Rashid.
Roberto
Safawi Rashid
Carlos.
tadi juga kan.
It's a good ball and it
Nice,
could
ayo.
be in.
Ayo Krunic.
Now it's Krunic. He's left his
Cutback.
man.
Flippo. Aduh,
Minutes added
nggak
time.
dapet, susah banget kayak gitu pak. Aduh, ngebling.
And here, real chance.
Ya,
And
dah.
it's in.
Musim 2021-22
And
sangat
it's
menyedihkan.
becoming
Kenapa tuh?
Almost too painful to watch. Where to next?
Apa? Oh, golf. Golf.
Yeah, it
Yeah.
has become ugly for one, but the other is
Nggak dibenerin lagi tuh
delivering
bendera.
beauty.
Four in the game. He is the man.
He is the man. Filippo Inzaghi. Ayo. Ya, udah nyerah dia. Aduh, tar lu pak. Ya, udah abandon dia. Udah nyerah. Katanya setan tadi kebantai tadi katanya setan tapi kebantai tadi. Itulah MU. Ya, musim ini emang jelek. Dari musim-musim zamannya apa namanya? Sebelum Ole siapa tuh? Siapa sebelumnya pelatih sebelum Ole? Habis ini kan Ten Hag masuk kan. Ya itu kayaknya bisa lah. Musim depan mungkin nggak musim depan, mungkin 2 musim lagi. 2 musim depan baru dia bisa fight. Mourinho ya sebelum Ole ya. Van Gaal. Iya Van Gaal. Ya kan SAF Moyes. Moyes dulu kan, Moyes, Van Gaal, baru Mourinho. Apa tadi? Aku mau ngapain tadi ya? Apal juga kamu, Ren. Beli Canatip. Oh iya, beli Canatip. Beli Canatip. Beli Canatip deh. Canatip berapa? Oh, semoga ya murah ya. Arhan cuma 3.000 kan. Canatip lebih apa namanya? Lebih mahal kayaknya deh. Arhan yang 3.000 aja, yang 58 aja 3.000. Coba ya. Moga-moga duitnya cukup. Ini nggak cukup pak duitnya pak. Saya punya duit sedikit. Nah ini dia. Standard player. Tuh Messi 1 juta. Filter klub tim nggak perlu. Ini nih. Asia, Oceania, Hongkong, India, Thailand. A B C D F G H I J K, ini dia. Ada Vietnam ada emang pemainnya di PES. Nah ini dia. Oh 4.000 kagak cukup. Nggak cukup pak. Nggak cukup ininya. Teraton Bonmatan juga bagus tuh untuk level Asia. Nih Sarawak, Adisak. Ini mah pemain AFF semua nih. Titipan. Nah ini dia titipan nih yang lebih apa namanya, yang lagi viral itu. Ini adalah titipan Supacok, Sasalak, titipan Puang Chan. Oh beda kartu. Terasil Dangda. Ini Terasil Dangda senior nih, 2016. Saya nonton kan AFF 2016. Oke, kita main lagi. Dream Team. Event. Apa besok aku main FIFA ya? Ya, lihat nanti lah ya. Main santai aja kita. They don't feel like doing anything. Ya. 3 tadi siang 17 loh yang nonton loh. Gila gak tuh? 17 yang nonton. Gila, tiba-tiba dari mana ini orang-orang? 17. Yah. Tapi ininya ini cancel ya, janganlah. Cari yang lain. Networknya 1. Dari beranda kayaknya. Iya, kok bisa masuk beranda gitu loh. Itu yang buat aku heran. Tapi sialnya itu udah mau buka, jadi nggak bisa lanjut streamingnya. Sialnya udah mau buka. Kok ini networknya 1 doang ya? Udah gas aja lah. Aku juga tadi pagi muncul channel Antum. Oh, tadi pagi, tadi siang kali. Sepi. Apa? Aku ngejar subscriber dulu, baru viewer. 3 digit loh. Gila itu. Tiga digit 100 subscriber. Yah, kok jadi 99? Lah, kok jadi 99 pak? Halo, jadi 99 nih. Iya jadi 99. Alah, turun lagi. Nggak apa, ntar juga naik. Talking away, I don't know why. Apa ini? Coba. AC Milan, lawan AC Milan. Inzaghi, Puyol. Petkovic. kemarin baru ya, baru upload video ya, nyoba-nyoba ya. Nyoba-nyoba aja udah 30. Dulu saya nyoba-nyoba, buset. Live streamingnya 12, saya live streaming gas. Iseng kayaknya. Iya. Tapi 3-1 lumayan loh itu loh. Terusin lah, biar gede. Emang yang susah konsistennya itu Kak. Misalkan udah jalan berapa hari sudah males, itu pasti ada kayak gitu. Males ngedit, males apa segala macem. Halo, ini kenapa? Nggak tahu mau ngupload apa. Oh, upload ini aja, apa namanya, atau nggak live streaming. Pakai Mobizen bisa kan? Mobizen bisa live streaming, atau nggak ini pakai Omelet Arcade. Omelet Arcade bisa tuh, atau Streamlab mobile. Ini kenapa nih? Halo? Abandon aja lah ya kalau nge-lag kayak gini. Aduh. Network saya nih kayaknya nih. Networkku nih kayaknya nih. Oh iya. I don't know why. Aduh, kenapa ini? Halo? Kok tiba-tiba gini ya? Tadi enggak loh. Halo, masa nge-stuck harus end stream apa? Ya end stream sebenarnya nggak apa-apa sih, sepi juga Kak. Nggak masalah juga end stream. Cuma apa ya, masa baru bentar ini, baru sejam, masa udah end stream aja. Saya gini nih. Ayo lo, bener-bener. Aduh, nge-lag-nya.
Who do you think this turns on, Jim?
Yeah, I think we can expect to see more than a few moments of individual
Ini
brilliance
parah,
with
Pak,
Neymar
Pak.
on the pitch.
Nggak bisa
Peter,
main gini.
he's got such a
Main
silky
apa
touch.
begini?
He can ghost past defenders, and he can pass and shoot with the very best. If you're looking for someone to take your breath away,
Lihat musuhnya
this
juga
is the
kayak
guy
orang
for
bodoh.
me.
Yes, he's certainly the one who carries the hopes of his team. And it's played forward. Well, that had the makings of something quite promising, but it's fizzled out into nothing.
Tomiyasu overtop. Tuh, ya ampun, ini sih parah Pak.
Adama Traore. Now it's Abraham.
Temi.
Interesting ball.
Ya udah gue.
Well, it didn't look good for a while, but that was brave defending, and they got away with it.
Well, that tackle was immense, and so was the relief. The great escape.
Chance.
Abandon aja deh. Nggak bisa saya main gini Pak. Mau menang juga nggak bisa 90 menit kayak gini. Apalagi lawan bot aja ya. Karena penyakit gitu tuh. Mau abandonnya susah. Oh enggak. Aduh, Pro Evolution Soccer Winning 11. Namanya aja udah bagus ya. Nah, servernya kayak gini. Coba ya lawan buat yes. Coba ya, sebentar ya. Aku lihat dulu nih berapa bar. Chaos, so I'm not doing anything. Aduh, ya udah lawan bot deh, yuk. Halo, saya mau back, nggak bisa nih. Udah emang harus tidur, suruh tidur besok sahur pak. Nggak suruh tidur ini. Apa kita yang stream aja kali ya? Yang stream aja deh ya. Besok berarti jadwalnya itu siang Spider-Man, sorean dikit eFootball, malamnya apa deh, tahu deh. Ini Spider-Man dari jam 1 habis zuhur lah sampai jam 3 sampai asar break, habis itu baru eFootball tuh kayaknya ngabuburit tuh bagus deh, ngabuburit. Ya udah end stream aja.